Dreaming of escaping the paycheck-to-paycheck grind? In this video, I'll break down 7 powerful steps to build your own financial freedom plan, practical, proven, and beginner-friendly. If you're ready to take control of your money and future, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Financial freedom is the ability to live life on your terms without being burdened by financial stress. It means your assets generate enough income to cover your expenses, giving you the freedom to pursue passions, take time off, and never work a job you dislike just to pay bills. But achieving that level of freedom doesn't happen overnight. It requires intention, structure, discipline, and a solid plan. Let's walk through a 7-step strategy to build a personalized roadmap toward financial independence. Step 1. Define what financial freedom means to you before setting goals or budgeting. It's crucial to define what financial freedom actually looks like in your life. Everyone has a different vision of success. Maybe for you, it's retiring early, traveling the world, or simply not stressing over rent and bills. Start by asking yourself, how much monthly income would make you feel secure and independent? What lifestyle do you want to lead? How many hours per week do you want to work, if any? These answers will guide your long-term goals and influence how aggressive your strategy needs to be. Without a clear definition, your plan lacks purpose, and you'll be more likely to lose focus along the way. Step 2. Calculate your freedom number. Your freedom number is the amount of passive income or net worth required to cover your ideal lifestyle. To figure it out, tally up all essential and discretionary monthly expenses, then multiply by 12 to get your annual cost of living. If you want to cover this entirely through investments, use the 4% rule, a common retirement strategy suggesting you can safely withdraw 4% of your investments annually without running out of money. Divide your annual expenses by 0.04, and you'll have a ballpark estimate of the portfolio you need. For example, if your annual expenses are $40,000, you'll need a $1 million portfolio to achieve freedom. This number gives you a tangible goal to work toward. Step 3. Track and optimize your current finances. Once you know your target, it's time to assess where you currently stand. Most people underestimate how much they spend and overestimate how much they save. Use a tracking app or spreadsheet to log every income source and every expense for at least 30 days. This will give you clarity on your spending patterns, show areas of waste, and highlight opportunities for improvement. Many people find they're spending hundreds on subscriptions, eating out, or impulse purchases they don't value. Once you identify these leaks, you can redirect funds toward investments, savings, or side hustles that accelerate your journey to freedom. Step 4. Build an emergency fund and eliminate bad debt before aggressively investing or scaling a business. Your financial foundation must be secure. Start by building an emergency fund, typically 3 to 6 months of living expenses, to protect you from unexpected expenses, job loss, or market downturns. This prevents you from having to dip into credit cards or investments prematurely. Next, tackle bad debt, high-interest credit cards, payday loans, and personal loans. These drain your wealth-building potential by compounding against you. Use the avalanche, highest interest first, or snowball, smallest balance first, method to pay off debt efficiently. Once you're debt-free and have a safety net, you can invest and take risks without fear. Step 5. Increase and diversify your income streams. One of the fastest ways to accelerate toward financial freedom is by increasing income. If you rely solely on one paycheck, your progress will be slow and fragile. Instead, aim to build multiple income streams, starting with active income like a high-paying job or freelance gigs, then adding semi-passive and passive income. This could include rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, digital products, affiliate marketing, or even monetized YouTube content. ChatGPT and other AI tools in 2025 make content creation, business automation, and side hustle growth easier than ever. The more diversified your income becomes, the more protected and scalable your wealth strategy is. Step 6. Automate saving and investing toward freedom. To build wealth consistently, remove emotions and decisions from the process. Automate transfers to your savings, retirement accounts, and investment portfolios every payday. Set up automatic contributions to your IRA, 401k, or brokerage account. If you're building passive income, automate rent collection, product sales, or email funnels. Choose low-fee index funds, ETFs, or robo-advisors to simplify investing and reduce risk. Compound interest works best with time and consistency, so even small regular investments can snowball into financial independence. Automating your plan ensures you stay on track without relying on willpower or memory. Step 7. Review, adjust, and stay committed to the plan. Financial freedom isn't a one-and-done event, it's a dynamic journey. Life changes, markets shift, and your goals may evolve. That's why regular reviews are essential. Once a month, check your budget and spending. Every quarter, assess your net worth, investment performance, and income streams. At least once a year, revisit your freedom number and make adjustments if needed. If your income has increased or your lifestyle has changed, update your targets accordingly. Celebrate milestones, but stay focused on the bigger picture. Avoid lifestyle inflation, resist unnecessary upgrades, and stay aligned with your long-term vision. Commitment to your plan, even through boring or difficult seasons, is what separates those who reach freedom from those who don't. Your financial freedom starts now. Financial freedom isn't just for the ultra-rich or lucky few, it's achievable for anyone willing to create and follow a clear plan. It's about being intentional with your money, eliminating what doesn't serve you, and building systems that grow your wealth automatically. By defining your version of freedom, calculating your target, optimizing your current finances, and scaling your income and investments, you can build a life where money no longer controls your choices. The journey may take years, but every smart decision you make today brings you one step closer to a future where you work because you want to, not because you have to. Now you know the 7 key steps to set up your path to financial freedom. The journey starts with action, so start today, not someday. Want more tools, habits, and wealth-building strategies? Subscribe, like, and turn on the bell so you never miss out. Your future self will thank you.